Imagine having an AI assistant that doesn't just chat but actually help you write code, brainstorm, and even generate images all in one place. What if I told you this AI comes straight from Google and is getting smarter every day? Welcome to Zero to Hero in Google Gemini, your ultimate guide to mastering Google's most powerful AI tool. Whether you are a student, a working professional, a content creator, or just someone curious about AI. This video will make you from a complete beginner to an expert in using Gemini efficiently. Google Gemini is not just an alternative to ChatGPT, it is different beast altogether. It integrates deeply with Google Search, understands images, and even can assist with real-time tasks in ways other AI tools can't. But how do you unlock its full potential? Stick with me till the end. I promise you, you will learn everything you need to go from zero to hero. So, hi, I am Ansh from KnowHow Academy. Let's see what you will learn in this video. First, we're gonna see what is Google Gemini, like a quick introduction to Gemini and how it differs from other AI tools. When we see how to access Google Gemini, like step-by-step guide, I will teach you how to do that. Then we will see core features and how to use them, like text-based AI capabilities, writing, brainstorming, summarizing, like that. And fourth, we're going to see best use case and productivity hacks, like how student professionals and creators can maximize Gemini with real life examples. Fifth, we're going to see comparison with ChatGPT, which one you should use, like strength and weakness of Gemini versus ChatGPT. Sixth, we're going to see advanced tips and hidden features about it. And seventh, final thoughts and what comes next in that. So, now that you know what's coming, let's dive in. First is, what is Google Gemini? What if I told you that Google has built an AI so powerful that it can not only chat with you but also analyze image, generate content, and even assist with coding, all while being deeply integrated with the tools you already use every day? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, that's exactly what Google Gemini is. What makes Gemini different? Google Gemini is not just another chatbot. It is a multimodal AI, meaning it can process text, images, and even voice input seamlessly. Unlike other AI tools, it is designed to work navigatively with Google Search, Google Docs, Gmail, and other Google services, making it an incredibly powerful assistant for work, creativity, and learning. Where we can use it, whether you are an instant answer, content creation, coding, debugging, image-based analysis. Gemini has you covered. It is built for students, professionals, and creators, unlike helping using maximizing productivity in ways other AI models can't. And now that we know what Gemini is, let's move on to something even more exciting. Second is our how to access Google Gemini. So how are we gonna access this? Alright, now that you know what Google Gemini is, let's get set up, but here's you need to deal. Most people don't realize that Gemini comes in different versions, and depending on which one you use, you should either unlock its full potential or miss out on some game-changing feature. So let's break it down step by step for you guys. What we're gonna be access Gemini on mobile and desktop. We don't have mobile, but we have desktop. Let's set up it on desktop. What you need to go is we need to go on Google and we need to go to our Google browser and just type it here, Gemini. Here we are. So first link you get with the logo about Gemini, just click on it. Already signed in it, so it's already being signed in, like hello once he already saying. But if you don't have, you can sign in with your Google account and start chatting with it. There is a free versus pro version. If I go here, it's flash, thinking, experimental. These are types, and if you want advanced type, these are all free version. If you want advanced, go for the pro version. Which one you should choose? Google Gemini offered two versions, free version and advanced version. Free version is best for general use, text-based queries, and casual conversions. But Gemini Advanced unlocks Gemini Ultra, more powerful models for complex tasks, coding, and high-quality AI response. With that, if you are serious about using AI for work, content creation, or advanced problem solving, grading to Gemini Ultra might be worth considering. Now that you have got access, let's explore the real magic what Gemini can actually do. So our third concept is core features and how to use them. Now that you've got Google Gemini set up, let's talk about what it makes it truly powerful. It's not just another AI chatbot, guys. It's multitasking genius that can write, generate images, analyze data, and even help you code. But that's problem. How do you unlock its full potential? Let's break it down. There are some key features of that. First is text-based assistant. Need help in writing an email, summarizing an article, or brainstorming idea? Just type your request and Gemini will generate high quality response. If I want an email, okay, I'll go and write me an email for sick leave from 7th November to 10th of November. That's it. In seconds. See, dear HR, please accept this mail as notification that I'll be taking sick leave from this and this. So that's all. And in this, they will give you optional features like what you need to do. That you're gonna do it. Second is our image understanding and generation. Unlike many AI tools, Gemini can analyze image and even generate visual based on description. Like if you wanna upload some photo and ask what says this image, okay, if I go here and I don't have much pictures, but if I go to my picture and screenshots, add so many screenshots. Wait, if I go here and take one, open and ask, what is this? If you see that, I open this. Okay, it's gonna closed. See, can you analyze this image? With seconds, it's gonna analyze your image and describe the artwork in detail, like this image to a web page or a mobile app for user registration or sign up for hospital PAP project. So that's right, that's called header, input fields, button, and everything he described it. Now third comes coding and debugging. Gemini supports programming in multiple languages. You can ask it write code, fix bugs, or explain complex concepts in Python, JavaScript, and many more. Example, if I say write a Python function to sort a list, I go here and write a Python code for solving a list. Okay, just in case, see, that will create me a Python code for solving a list or sorting a list, whatever you say. Okay, with all the description, with all everything, it's gonna be there. With like you can't be get stuck in between like what is this code and what is this used for. With that, it's gonna give you improvement in this version. Like what are the improvement you're gonna do? It's called Gemini for you. Fourth, we have Google Search and Workspace. Now that you know what Gemini can do, let's talk about how to actually use these features in real life scenarios. So, all right, we have seen what Google Gemini really can do, but here's the real question for you. How do you use it actually save time, boost productivity, and get things done faster? Whether you are a student, a professional, or a content creator, Gemini has something for you. Let's dive into some of the best way to use it in your daily life. So, first is our student and researchers. How they use them? They can use as writing essay and reports, get structure outline. Like if I say, uh, write 100 words essay on AI versus human. With all the Google search, he's gonna create, in 100 words, the rise of artificial intelligence has sparked debate with a great idea. Now, second is solving maths and coding problems. Just write the problem and Gemini will guide you, through step by step. If I had a small problem like I'm having a difficulty in probability and statistics. So it's completely normal to find new probabilities and it's challenging. But here is like what topic you're giving trouble and what everything. If you say like if I go with uh I'm having problem with hypothesis testing. With that, it's gonna create me like hyper testing can definitely be tricky. It involves a lot of steps. With that basic stuff, you're gonna know that how interesting Gemini is. Second comes is professionals and business owners. Writing emails and reports need a quick professional email. Just say draft a formal email for a client update. Just draft a formal mail for what we say client update. See, with that, it's gonna make a draft. Like choose one following option. We are placed to report that everything. They give you, four options. That's great. And even with that, even data analysis and insight, use Gemini to summarize reports, analyze trends. With that, you can do that. Third is content creators and marketers. We can generate blog, post, and script. Just give a topic and Gemini will provide you. If I say like, uh, write a 60 seconds YouTube short on what do you say? Chat GPT. With seconds, it's gonna make a see with the voiceover visuals, it will provide you like it with video. What with the voiceover should be, visual should be everything. AI generate image and design ideas. Okay, so here in this, we also have AI generated images, and you need to describe what you need and let Gemini create unique visual. If I say like make an image of a space. That's a simple code. Just make an image of a space. With that, it's gonna create an image. Just wait and watch. It's gonna be totally worth it waiting. See, that's so interesting. I don't know what's that object, but it looks so visualized. Fourth is developers and tech enthusiasts. If you are doing coding and debugging stuck somewhere, just paste it here and ask, why I'm getting stuck? Can you explain the real scenario, like what we gonna do in this? With that, you can learn new programming languages, step-by-step explanation. Like if I say, uh, I am new to Python, so give me step-by-step course structure to become pro. Sorry, it's pro. Okay, great. Welcome to the world of Python. First phase is setting up your environment. Second is Python basic. Then we are working with data structure. With the phase, it's gonna divide you in different things. Productivity to hacks get the most out of Gemini. Now that we know how to use Gemini for maximum productivity, let's see how to stack up against ChatGPT. Comparison with ChatGPT, which one should you use? Imagine you have two AI assistant actually. One is like a tech-savvy librarian with access to the latest books, videos, and research paper, which is Google Gemini. While in the other is a genius storyteller, coder, and problem solver who can whip up ideas in second. That is ChatGPT. But which one you should use? Let's break it down here. First is AI models, the brain behind the AI. Google Gemini runs on Gemini Ultra Pro, Google most advanced AI model. ChatGPT is powered by GPT-4 Pro, that is OpenAI flagship model. What are their differences mainly? Gemini is built to handle multi-modal inputs like text, image, audio, and video. While ChatGPT is primarily text-built with some limited version capabilities. You can make image and video, but that was just limited. Second is multi-modal capabilities. So, Google Gemini, you can upload image, analyze videos, and even process voice inputs. Perfect for researchers, designers, and content creators. But in ChatGPT, it mainly focuses on text-based conversation. Throughout, it does have some vision ability in the pro version. With that, if you am saying that with the what I'm saying it is Gemini is more powerful than if you go with the voiceover. Like if I hear in the voice say, here, use microphone. I use my microphone, allow the side. Hey, how are you? You just enter. Hey, how are you? With this prompt, you can ask directly, just don't need to go and just type. If you're having pains in your hand, you just just go and on the speaking option and you're gonna do that. With the real life example, if I say you are on vacation and snap a picture of a sign in a foreign language, Gemini can instantly translate it and tell you about the culture. ChatGPT, well, you had it to type out the text for translation. Okay, third is Google Search. Gemini directly integrates with Google Search for real-time information. ChatGPT has limited browsing and it's on only available in the Pro version. So, why it's matter? If you're searching the latest AI trends, market data, or new Gemini is the way to go. ChatGPT, on the other hand, relies mostly on pre-trained knowledge, like unless browsing is enabled in Pro. Fourth is like workspace integration. Gemini works seamlessly with Google Docs, Sheets, and Gmail, a game changer for professionals. ChatGPT is no native integration with productivity tools. If I say imagine drafting a report in Google Docs, with Gemini you can generate content, summarize emails, and create data insights all within your workspace. ChatGPT, you have to copy paste everything here. Fifth is coding and debugging. Both Gemini and ChatGPT support multiple coding languages and debugging. ChatGPT is slightly better at conversational coding, help and code explanation. Gemini integrates well with Google developers tools like Colab and Vertex AI. Which one is better for coders if I say? If you want step-by-step coding help, ChatGPT might feel more natural, but if you're working with Google developer tools, Gemini could be a better fit for you guys. So if I say free AI is better or not, Gemini free version is more advanced because it supports multiple model input, while ChatGPT free version is text only but still great for brainstorming and casual. So now the question is which one you should use. Choose Google Gemini if you need a real-time Google search. Second, you want deep integration with Google Docs, Sheets, and Gmail. And third, you need image and voice support along. And the second is choose ChatGPT if you want a strong AI chatbot for creative writing. If you prefer a faster and more polished, you don't need deep integration with Google services. Both are powerful AI tools, but if you are a Google user who relies on Doc, Gmail, and search, Gemini is a game changer. If you want a more polished chatbot with creative capabilities, ChatGPT is a solid choice. Now that you know how Gemini compares to ChatGPT, let's move on to something even more exciting. Hidden tips and advanced tricks here. So, think you are a master Google Gemini. Think again. I'm saying think again. Most people only scratch the surface, but if you know the right trick, you can unlock powerful hidden features that will completely change how you use AI. Let's dive into some pro level hacks to maximize Gemini potential. So, what are these? First is use chain prompting for better result. Instead of asking single vague question, break it into step-by-step prompts. Like example, write a business plan for a startup. Okay. Now, if I say that's not gonna be work. If I say step one is what we say generate a five unique startup ideas. Generate a five unique startup ideas. Okay. With what we say on a current market analysis. Then we have step two. Step two is what do we say? Step two, we want to expand on ideas, expand on idea like with revenue model target audience, with the revenue target audience and model. With that, it's gonna be and challenges also and challenges. That's a better, nested prompt here. But we're gonna just enter it and see how it's gonna react with. Step one is five AI powered personal education platform, sustainable ethical fashion marketplace, hypological skill sharing platform, and mental wellness app for remote workers, personalized nutrition and fitting coach. Then step two is idea, concept, target audience, revenue model. Everything is there. Everything. Each and everything. Now, second is upload image for AI power insight. You can upload screenshot documents or charts and Gemini will analyze them. What we now do is I'll go to my here and go to my pictures. So here are so many pictures. I'll go to down and upload one of these. And if I just let me load it. Yeah, it's a kind of a YouTube interface. If I say summarize this in three bullet points. Okay, with that image, it gonna use and summarize this whole YouTube interface in this. Like I can take and extract the text and identify some objects like educational content, specific problem, and other elements. And with that, it's gonna summarize your whole image. Now, third is use Gemini as a Google search powerhouse. Unlike ChatGPT, Gemini pulls live data from Google Search. Find me top 3 AI conference happening this year and summarize the key topic. If I say find me top 3, what we say, AI conference, AI conference happening this year and summarize. That's it. With with what we say with key topics, right? There, key topics. That's it. Just enter. You're gonna see how powerful it is. First is Neuro IPS, then why it's a big deal. Then we have ICML International Conference on Machine Learning. Then we have Triple AI. Okay, these are so much natural, and with that you have important notes in everything. That's a real power. Fifth, we have get personalized study guides and lesson plans. Example, if you need to create a 7-day study plan for learning Python, I'll go here and I'll say create me a 7-day learning plan for my study. Just enter it. In first, you're gonna like what subject or topic you're studying, what's your overall, everything. And six is voice and multimodal inputs. Use voice prompts. I said that with that you can use, key explain in simple term while showing an image or document. Okay. Hey, as I have discussed about 7 days working, studying plan with me, so I want to summarize this. Can you do that? And enter. That's it. So much interesting with just simple enter. Buy this. Let's look at the future goals for Google Gemini and AI in general. So, if you think Google Gemini is powerful, now just wait. It's only getting started. AI is evolving in an insane speed, and Gemini is the front end of the revolution. So, what's next? Let's explore the future of Gemini and when AI is headed. So, what is future and when it's innovation? So, right now, Gemini can process text, image, and voice, but soon it will support videos, 3D models, and even real time interaction with you. Imagine you can upload a video and asking summarize the key points from this lecture. And second is like deeper integration, like accept, their integration with Google products like Android, Chrome, and Google Assistant with you. With these future feature examples, Gemini could autofill forms, books, appointment, and even respond to email. And third is AI-powered personal assistant. That future version of Gemini might act as a personal AI agent capable of managing schedules, making revision, and handling word tasks. If I say to my Gemini, book my flight, schedule a meeting for 3 p.m., and draft a project report, it's gonna do that. Fourth is ethical and responsible AI. Google is investing heavily in AI safety and bias reduction to make Gemini more reliable and trustworthy. Future updates will include fact checking, source verification, and more transparent AI explanation. Fifth is AI that learns and adapts to you. Instead of just responding to prompt, Gemini may soon learn your habits, preference, and work style to give you more personalized assistance. It could be, if I say example, it could auto suggest daily based on your previous activity. And third is in argument reality and variables. Google is exploring Gemini powered AI, AR glasses and variables that could provide real time transformation, navigation, and even object, recognition. As we say, Google Astra there. And imagine looking at a product and asking, what is this best price for the online? And from Google Astra that is working on it, from the eyes, you can able to see online what's the price of that product. The future is exciting. Are you ready, guys? Google Gemini is set to become smarter, faster, and more deeply integrated into your daily lives. This question is, are you ready to embrace the future of AI? In this video, we'll dive into Google Gemini, exploring everything from basic to advanced tricks in the future. So let's see what we have covered in this video. Let's recap that. First, we see what is Google Gemini. Second, we see how to access Google Gemini. Then we see key features and use case. After that, we see the comparison between Gemini versus ChatGPT. Fifth, we see hidden tips and advanced tricks. Sixth, we see future of Google Gemini and AI. And with that, we have covered and wrap up our journey from zero to hero in Google Gemini. Make sure to stay tuned for more AI tools breakdown. Let me know in the comment which AI tool you want to see next. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of right knowledge. We're always here to help you and navigate you to the tech world.